So mipla try me cook him nipla recipe long fried rice.
Nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng, we call him lo Indonesia.
These.
Sebelah ya, chicken, peas, corn, and beetroot, and ginger, onion, garlic.
Herbs.
These are the herbs.
Snake grass.
Salt, pepper.
That is thyme.
Oregano,
cashew nuts, and
couple of eggs, rice, and must go cool in a hot one.
Cold, yeah. Yeah, you eat this one.
And ginger.
Yeah. Coconut oil.
Put some coconut oil go inside the pan.
The other thing is, maybe one or two.
What do you call it?
Leek.
Now this leaf?
Bay leaf.
I mean style of cooking law old man. So all boil all get a melanese.
From on top, maybe?
All get a melanese plus
Yeah, from here. Let me take a picture. Is that recording or keep
Recording.
How do you take a picture?